Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to our podcast. Today is a very special episode dahil bukas, dito sa Amerika, ang Mother's Day. I want to dedicate this time to my mother and maybe, just maybe, habang nakikinig kayo, you'll also think about your own mom, whether she's with you or not, whether your relationship is close or complicated. My mother is your typical Filipino mom. Yung tipo ng nanay na laging may handa sa mesa. Parang laging may fiesta. Laging may ulam na 3 sa tanghalian. Sabi nga ng tatay ko noon, ba't di ka magtipid para bukas? Pero ang sagot ng nanay ko, kailan ka pa kakain ng masarap? Pag may sakit ka na di mo na malasahan? Tumatawa lang kaming lahat. Pero that makes sense. Totoo naman yung sinabi niya. She's that kind of woman. Mapagmahal sa pagkain, mapagbigay sa pamilya. She was beautiful, stylish, confident, and charismatic. A woman who could make friends with anyone, from the poorest of the poor to the rich and powerful. Magaling siyang kumanta, palangiti, madaling pakisamahan. Mayaman man o mahirap, she can connect with people. She was raised by my grandfather to be strong, street smart. She travels to do business. Independent businesswoman. She traveled with him, my grandpa. Learned from him and followed his footsteps. She was a good disciple of his. But I won't pretend everything was perfect. Gaya ng maraming kwento sa totoong buhay, hindi siya perfect. My mom had her flaws. Marami akong hindi nagustuhan sa ugali niya. Maingay, really loud, fiery, unfiltered, prangka, minsan medyo bastos kung magsalita. Reckless and destructive. Kapag galit siya, buong barangay alam. She drinks, she gambles, she cusses, at sa kanya ko natutunan manigarilyo ng bata pa ako. Yung ibang bagay, hindi ko na dapat banggitin. There were days I wish she were different. There were moments I walked away from her, so broken by the pain. I thought I couldn't return. Totoo to, nasaktan ako. Paulit-ulit. Dumating pa nga sa punto na kinailangan kong lumayo ng matagal. Putulin ang ugnayan. So broken by the pain, I thought I couldn't return. And yet, in the quiet, the whisper of Jesus always found me. Love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Honor your father and your mother. Forgive, and you will be forgiven. Jesus didn't teach us to love only when it's easy. He showed us how to love when it hurts, when it costs us. Hindi sinabi ni Jesus, love only those who treat you well. Hindi niya sinabing, honor your parents if they deserve it. Tinuro niya ang mas mahirap, ang pagmamahal. Ang magmahal kahit masakit. Ang magpatawad kahit paulit-ulit. And that's what I've tried to do. Kahit ilang beses akong nasaktan, I've chosen to forgive, to remember the good, to bury the bitterness, to keep coming back to the truth. I reminded myself daily, she is my mother. And because of her, I am here. Hindi niya ako pina-abort. Pinili niyang isilang ako. Dinala niya ako sa mundong ito. And that, for me, is no small thing. Alam niyo po, she's turning 100 ngayong darating na July. Long life, full of grace, isang siglo ng buhay. Mabagal ang pagbabago, Parang pagong kung umusad, pero salamat sa Diyos. Binigyan siya ng mahabang buhay, ng maraming biyaya, at ng pagkakataon na magbago, kahit kaunti. But it came, and that's what grace does. It waits, it hopes, it believes that no one is ever too far gone to be changed by the love of God. Kaya sa inyong lahat na nakikinig, kung ang mother nyo rin ay malayo sa perpekto, kung may tampo kayo, kung may sakit o bigat sa puso nyo, maybe this is the time to forgive. Hindi ibig sabihin kalimutan ang mga nangyari sa nakaraan. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay hayaan si Jesus na gamutin ang sugat at turuan tayong magmahal muli. Loving her doesn't mean denying the truth. It means rising above it. Let Jesus teach you how. Ang pagmamahal natin sa ating mga ina ay hindi dapat nakabase sa performance, kundi sa grace. Dahil kung tayo lang din ang uhusgahan ayon sa ating kahinaan, baka wala ring magmahal sa atin. So today, I honor my mom. Hindi dahil perpekto siya, pero dahil naging matapang siya, nadalhin ako sa mundong ito. Because of her, I was born. And by God's grace, we're still here. And because of God, I was redeemed. Ma, kung nakikinig ka, Happy Mother's Day. I have forgiven you, and I still love you. At sa mga nanay na nakikinig ngayon, saludo kami sa inyo. At sa mga anak na may sugat sa puso, hayaan nating si Jesus ang maghilom. Let love win. Let grace lead. Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Silver, reminding you, love isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. Lalo na, pag mother mo ang pinag-uusapan. Bye!